In this video, I will be showing you how to make a bar menu in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking on the search bar and typing in bar menu to see the available templates. I'll browse through the results until I find a design I like, then click on this black and gold elegant menu. After looking at the preview, I'll select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once it's loaded, I'll click on the background and open the color panel to try out a few different shades, like this peach. I'll also check the Position and Layers tab to see how the elements are stacked. Now I'll select the Gin Cocktails header and change its color to a peach tone, hitting Change All to update the rest of the headers. Next, I'll click on the list of drinks, change the text color to white. I'll use Change All one more time to update every list on the page. Finally, I'll scroll through the tequila, rum, and vodka sections to make sure all the text is properly aligned and easy to read. Now you have a stunning, professional bar menu ready for any occasion.